Hi, I'm Christelle and thank you for joining me for E-Prime. It is summer and that means tour season for reggae and dancehall artists, and many acts are already on the road. Like Chronixx, the artist who has been constantly touring, announced the date for his long-awaited debut album, Chronology. This after many singles, 2 mixtapes and a 10-track EP titled Dread and Terrible. Chronixx's first full album is set for release on June 30, with pre-orders starting June 23 to fans worldwide.
Girl, you're my queen, majesty. You are my queen, majesty. Don't you know you are my queen, majesty?
Now, if Majesty or likes the self-produced dancehall track on which he speaks his mind on today's dancehall climate and social media hype are anything to go by, then Chronixx will be on the road well into 2018. The artist, who rapped in Holland over the weekend, will feature at Sierra Nevada World Music Festival next weekend and will continue with shows across the US, Japan, and other big summer festivals in Europe. And he goes all the way into October. Warrior King, the Roots Warrior, is also heading off on tour this summer with dates in Europe which include Reggae Jam, Reggae in Wolf, LB27 and Island Vibes Festival in July. And dates are already set for the West Coast, which features Reggae on the River, California's biggest reggae festival. The artist, who is pushing his latest album, The Roots Warrior, just returned from what he described as a spectacular sold-out performance at the Afro Pfingsten Festival in Switzerland. Now, Busy Signal is joining some of reggae's best, including Freddie McGregor, Ken Booth, Leroy Sibbles, Tarrus Riley and R. Kelly at Groovin' in the Park in New York on June 25. Busy Signal, who was extradited to the US on a charge of absconding bail, will deliver his first performance on US soil at the city's premier R&B reggae concert, the 7th annual Groovin' in the Park.
Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. I did my best lyrics. Mash up the place, but she want not for this. Yo, me now miss #1 funny list. Mash up the place.
The Now Go Jail Again artist, who last year did his successful South African tour, is featured on Major Lazer's newest star-studded EP, No Better, which also includes acts such as Travis Scott, Quavo, Sean Paul, Jidenna, among others. Caribbean Fashion Week is in full gear. Tonight it continues with the gala at the Spanish Court Hotel, and Friday night the Urban Party with CFW fashion collections at Villa Renai, featuring artist Alkaline's collection and a performance from Dexter Daps. And that's all I have for you tonight on E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you for watching.